MDDB, short for Malaysian Dogs Deserve Better, was formed in 2008 to address the plight of street dogs. We started off as a blog to highlight the cruelty to dogs by the country's local councils. MDDB has since been active in propagating the track, neuter, release, manage TNRM system of stray management, as well as in rescuing, treating, rehabilitating, and rehoming destitute street dogs and puppies. Since its inception, MDDB has rehomed more than 4,000 rescued puppies and dogs through various events and adoption drives. We are a growing group of people who comprise of rescuers, fosterers, and volunteers who do our best in rescuing stray, unwanted dogs. We also rescue many injured and terminally ill animals and try to nurture them to a full recovery, or at least give them a home to spend the remainder of their lives, knowing they are in a safe place where they are cared for and loved till they pass peacefully. At the moment, we have about 300 dogs, of which 80 of them have special needs. Some are old, some blind, some disabled, and some with other health issues. In order to effectively provide care for them, we need both in-kind and monetary donations on a regular basis, which include cleaning supplies, dog food, rice, old newspapers, donations to pay pending veterinary bills, and so much more. MDDB operates on public donations and would appreciate any kind of help from members of the public. Help us, help them.